Today I'm going to show you how to lockpick a master number 40. This is a functional lock. It has not been tampered with in any way. First, you're going to need a ballpoint pen, preferably a Pilot. Remove the metal clip off the top of it. When you get the clip off, go ahead and straighten out that end. This is going to be your lever. Need a bobby pin or a paper clip, it doesn't matter. Going to insert your lever. I like to put it in the top. Use your thumb as your lever. Bobby pin in. I like to take it all the way to the back, apply pressure, push down, lock open. There's nothing, anybody can do this. Master Lock needs to improve their locks. All the way to the back, push down, rotate the bolt open. That's simple. Bobby pin, pen cap, lock. Again, this lock has not been tampered with. This is a new lock. There you have it.